Hello, my name is Robert Harrison, and this is my submission for the Assistive Technology Implementation Project for EDSE 517. For this assignment that I've designed, it incorporates the use of readworks.org as well as a feelings communication board that I've designed for this assignment. It's a low-tech AAC device that can be used to communicate someone's current state of well-being. Because this particular group of students that I've designed this assignment for is a group of 6 high school students who receive special education services under the category of emotional disability. Um, they are in the general education setting for the majority of the day, and for 1 out of 4 blocks, they receive social and emotional instruction in the special education setting, which is a smaller classroom size and a small group setting. There are 6 students in total, and the goal for this lesson is to complete the social and emotional reading activity with a score of 75% or higher while utilizing the feelings communication board provided by staff. Now, um, this classroom is very small, so that's one of the considerations for the environment, as well as the individual needs of each student with this very broad disability category, um, and possibly adaptive seating. So the tasks, this lesson requires obviously materials such as a Chromebook, internet connection, readworks.org, possibly Google Classroom, and I suggested a variety of fidget devices and adaptive seating options for this assignment as well. So first the instructor will select the appropriate topic in readworks.org. It's the social and emotional learning topic. This particular assignment is on empathy, and the text that we are going to assign is Do You Bully? If the instructor so chooses, they can utilize Google Classroom. For privacy purposes, I just wanted to brush over it, but you can assign and differentiate text through there if need be in case a certain topic sets a student off or something like that. And you can also assign within readworks.org and include the appropriate supports that you want to include, like the audio version, comprehension questions, and then same thing, you can assign it to the whole class or specific students. This can help with differentiation and privacy. Um, so once that's assigned, the students will have their text version, and then they'll have options to print, which I have suggested certain students in this particular group that I'm talking about would prefer a printed version with larger print. And they can change the size of their font. They can change the rate of the reading speed for their audio version. They can utilize headphones. Again, adaptive seating and a lot of fidget tools that can be provided during this assignment. And I suggest that the teacher both monitor via readworks.org to ensure that 75% accuracy is being achieved by each student, as well as wander around the classroom and provide support or meet students' needs as needed. So the students will have the assignment, they'll be working on the assignment, and the idea is to utilize the feelings communication board that is provided as well. This can not only communicate their current state of well-being to staff and help with kind of that, that communication of those feelings, but it can also help with collecting data for social and emotional goals or services on an IEP. So the suggestion for this assignment is that the students can use the feelings board that I've created. Again, it's called a zones check-in board because the curriculum that we use is zones of regulation, and I just wanted it to relate to that. But so then they can identify, if they're in a certain state of well-being, and then they can just put the certain feeling on, whatever it is, and that way, this can be attached to their desk, and that way the teacher, my paraprofessional, we can know how to approach them and what kind of supports to offer. And again, this can also be used. A lot of these social and emotional goals in the IEPs have data that need to be collected, and this can be used for that. So the idea is for the student to be able to check in and communicate using this board that will be attached to their desk. They can communicate their feeling, which current zone they're in, and the teacher can take that data and use it to inform instruction and goals and social emotional goals moving forward. So thank you very much for watching.